Let's be honest, falafel already tastes pretty delicious on their own, but it tastes even better when paired with a delicious sauce. Many people eat falafel with hummus, the popular Middle Eastern chickpea sprout. That's certainly a great combo. But in the Middle East, there is one sauce that is traditionally served with falafel. It's a light and nutty tahina sauce. Made from just a few simple ingredients, this sauce comes together in less than 2 minutes. So if you don't have hummus available or simply prefer a lighter sauce to your falafel, this might be your new go-to recipe. And by the way, this sauce does not only go well with falafel, but also many grilled vegetables and meat dishes and even some salads. So yalla, let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Kitty and this channel is all about sharing my passion for delicious Middle Eastern recipes, food traditions and culture with a special focus on my beloved country Jordan. Let's first have a quick look at the ingredients. Tahini is the main ingredient for this falafel sauce. Tahini is a thick paste made of sesame seeds. It's available at any Middle Eastern grocery store, but you can also find it at the international aisle of many conventional grocery stores. Be sure to choose a high-quality tahini made of only sesame seeds. Regular tap water is used to thin out the sauce. You can adjust the amount of water depending on how thick you'd like your sauce to be. We'll need some fresh lemon or alternatively bottled lemon juice. Cumin is a signature spice of Middle Eastern cuisine. Be sure to use ground cumin, aka cumin powder, not cumin seeds. Coriander is another signature spice of Middle Eastern cuisine. Again, we need ground coriander, aka coriander powder, not the seeds. A bit of salt to taste. Parsley is totally optional if using, opt for flat-leaf parsley, also known as Italian parsley. It adds some color and flavor to your salt, but you can totally omit it. By the way, there is a link in the description box for a complete list of ingredients and amounts which you can save or print out. Ready to make falafel sauce? Let's get started. Let's start with our lemon. Roll your lemon against a hard surface to loosen the tough membranes. Then cut the lemon into halves. Squeeze with a lemon juicer or by hand. Discard the seeds and the flesh. Add the lemon juice to a mixing bowl. Shake the tahini well before every use. Then pour the tahini into the mixing bowl. Stir well. Note that tahini usually gets a bit thicker and clumpy when you start to whisk it. Don't worry about that, that's perfectly normal, just keep whisking. Add cold water and the spices. Ground coriander, ground cumin, and salt. Stir well. You'll see that the tahini will get thin again as you mix it with the water. Depending on the quality and brand of your tahini and your preference for the sauce, you might want to add a bit more water. I recommend that you add the water bit by bit and not all at once. I'll show you what the texture should be like in a bit. Have a quick taste and adjust the salt to your liking if needed. If you make the sauce to serve with falafel, you surely have some leftover parsley, and this sauce is a good way to use some of it. A handful is enough to add some color and flavor to your sauce. Cut off the long stems and then finely chop the leaves. Add the chopped parsley to your falafel sauce and stir. And that's how your falafel sauce should look like. The consistency is creamy yet smooth. Enjoy the sauce with falafel, grilled vegetables, grilled meat, or even some salads. Sahtin.